Celebrating.
Hit it again, Felix. She passed that test y'all today. I did it! Oh my goodness! I know you was happy, wasn't you? She did it. Oh, that's why she made it right there. I want to shout out to my beautiful and lovely wife. She's been taking care of all the business and all the transactions for Radford Homes. Follow us on all our social. Got it braced.
All right, that's another one bites the dust.
That's another one bites the dust. Looks pretty nice. Get out. We're looking at houses. I'm with the realtor. The realtor. Yeah. All right, let's check it out. Pouring it in, baby. Filling up this wall for that beam tomorrow. That's good then. It came all the way up there, right? That means it's full. That's right. She full, so we gotta put boards up to there now. Open right. Pouring it solid so the beam can sit on top of it. Right here, be right here. That's your linen closet right there, and here's your shower.
Same thing has to be done with those, so you can see those boards on them. So there's double joist hanging.
80%. Prep work is 80% now. This is what I like.
Stump grinding. That room is a bonus room. What you mean by look at that? That's for your sink right there. Your dual vanity. Hey, this is the best painter in the world. He's from Kenya, Africa. Inside. Running to the outside. That's the exterior wall right there. Yeah. Salute all veterans. Talk to you later. This is Greg, one half of Radford Homes LLC. Let's go, baby. All right, today we are surveying land. Check it out. Well, we got the surveyor out here getting ready to close the deal on this. Surveyor came out and put that there, but then I always come back and put my rebar in there. See the rebar there? Surveyor, all right, doing his thing. That there ain't gonna come out both sides of the streets. Nail down deep. We got one down there too. I know you was happy. Okay, why is it important to get a survey? You want to get a survey because you want to make sure that you mark your corners. All right? You want your corners so you can, everybody know this is my land and this is my corner here. So what he's doing right now,
That's my homeboy Ben fence.
he's already marked the corners. So what you doing right now, Eric?
That's another one bites the dust.
Oh, curve and utilities. And his machine right there does all that for him. You gotta know how to work it though. All right, right here, as you can see, here's one of my corners, my corner lot, corner stakes.
Thank you.
All right, and then you'll notice that they have the rebar, the tab in the ground. It lets you know. So it's important to do a survey before you buy some land, so you'll know what you own. All right, and we're on the west side of town where I grew up at, and of course, we're buying this land here, and then across the street, he's doing both surveys for us. He's doing the survey on this side of the street,
I'm gonna take them in a minute.
and he's doing the survey on this side of the street where my truck is. All right.
Okay, cool.
You want to know more about that? Give us a call, 931-241-9714, Radford Homes.
All right, y'all learned something today? All right.
The markers are all around. Every time you see this little marker with the stake here like that, and if you look down there where that fence is for our land we're buying. And then at the end down there, and if you notice, the driveway was on our side. They cut the driveway in half. Now, we didn't do that. They did that on their own before they closed on the house, because that's their property line going this way. And this is Radford Homes' property line on this side. Call 931-241-9714. Here's one corner stake right there for this land. And then there's always going to be 4 stakes unless you got like a triangle. Now here is the other stake right here. This is the property line for the other stakes here. Now we have to walk all the way back here in order to see. There's another stake down there. The title company will put insurance on it. All right, and they use this. This is a Go Max toolkit. And he's out here doing his thing. He's not just staking the corners. He's doing a full survey. That way, when we get ready to start building, we'll know our setbacks and the whole 9 yards. You want to know more about that? Give me a call. So it can measure up. Okay. He's handling his business. He's lining up. See how the thing is spinning down there by his truck? Feel free to call me if you need my services. 931-241-9714. We're on the west side of Bartow. New build going here. And across the street, a new build is going here. All right, I'm out of here. I gotta go to work. Gotta go back to the east side and finish this house we flipping over there on the east side. All right, every time I get a survey, I always come down and put my rebar in. All right, and I also use my marker, because sometimes they can knock this thing down. So I come right beside it. Where my mark is. I always do that. Too easy, right? And that's the other side right there.